So now that we have the basic idea of how to mix up the dyes and apply it to the mask, I thought we would take it a step further and do some other designs. So my mask is already wetted down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch in the middle here and then slowly start wrapping it around itself. This is going to create more of that spiral design so that you're getting that kind of tie-dye look on the mask. And I'm again just gonna pick up a little bit of blue here and then follow one of these swirls. And I'm going to do the same with all the other colors. Once, twice, so everyone sees. Wind up into it again. First time is never enough. Why don't we do it again? Use as many or as few colors as you'd like, and remember, you can mix the primary colors to make secondary colors like blue, orange, and purple. So I'm going to let this sit aside and dry completely. After that, I'm going to wash it in the washing machine so all that residual dye washes off. Make sure that you wash the mask alone. Then you can put it in the dryer to dry. And then you're ready to wear.